Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.1.2 and we're going to look at assisted troubleshooting. So in this lab, you will troubleshoot connectivity on the home laptop computer, get information on home laptop using network and internet settings, use network and internet settings to examine the IP assignment, answer question 1 through 3, identify symptoms on home laptop, use the ping command to test connectivity to all network nodes, answer question 4, get information on home PC 1, use network and internet settings to examine the IP assignment, answer questions 5 through 7, identify symptoms on home PC 1, use the ping command to test connectivity to all network. Alright, so let's start up. We'll go to start menu, and from start menu you want to open system. On the system you want to locate you want to go to network and internet and click on Ethernet. So we scroll down and we're going to be editing the IPv version 4, and from there we'll answer a couple of questions. What is the IP address assigned to home laptop? Home laptop is going to be 192.169.1.20. And the second question, what is the subnet? Subnet is going to be 255.255.255.0. And the next question, what is the gateway address assigned to home laptop? It's going to be 192.168.1.1. So let's look at, we save this and let's minimize this and continue work. So we'll go to start menu again. This time around we'll go to the terminal, and from the terminal you want to type in ping. We're going to be pinging the home laptop and press enter, and here we're going to ping home dash PC, press enter. It's timed out, so let's ping home dash PC 2. Okay, this is successful. So let's ping 192.168.1.1. Okay. Alright, so we use this information to answer the remaining questions. So which of the ping test failed from the home laptop? So 192 on this failed. Okay. And what is the IP address? Let's minimize this and continue working. So we'll go over here to the network modeler, and from the network modeler you want to locate the home PC. We'll launch Windows. So from there you want to open systems, and under system you want to open network and internet. Not yet. Let's go to Ethernet first, and let's go to edit and see what we'll have. We'll use this to answer the questions. What is the IP address assigned to home PC 1? That'll be 192.168.1.21. What is the subnet mask? Which is 255.255.255.0. What is the gateway address assigned to home PC? 192.168.1.1. So go ahead and click save. We still have more questions, but we'll minimize this for now. And let's minimize this and go ahead and get more information to help us. So we'll scroll down to the terminal, and in the terminal you want to ping home-laptop, this timed out. Then you want to ping, let's ping home, nope, something is wrong with the spelling. Let's ping home-pc1. Okay, this is successful. And let's ping home-pc2, and we're going to ping .192.168.1.1, and let's ping okay, so that is all. Let's close this and go ahead and answer the questions. So which of the following ping test failed? Of course, this failed. This 1, 2, 3. And which of the ping tests failed from PC1? This failed. Which of the following observations are true? Home laptop, PC1 have IP address the same as network. Home and home PC1 have the same subnet mask. Let's see. Home PC1 is configured correctly and has internet access. Let's see, home laptop and home PC1 and home PC laptop PC1 have the same gateway. Alright, so let's check our answers and see how we do. Alright, so I think we missed something here. Home laptop connected to the router. So let's keep working. Let's go over here and connect these. Let's minimize these. Go ahead and launch this. Let's close this. And settings. Network and internet. Let's go to internet. Let's scroll down. Let's go to edit. And this is going to be 192.168.1.20. Okay, there's an error there. So let's go back and see. Alright, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, consider joining my professional membership and you can reach me through my email address. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.